I don't need validation to tell me who I am. I'm human. I live the situation, and I've learned to understand. There's no such thing as limitation.
Today's Dre's World, that's right, my world. And guys, this is me on my way heading to the sea taxi to go to the airport because I'm going home. So guys, this is about 5 o'clock in the morning. See you guys. This is me walking to the sea taxi, guys. Look at this view. Isn't it beautiful in the early morning? Even though I'm not a morning person, guys, I was so scared on this sea taxi. I was praying and praying, guys. I was so scared. Worse, I can't swim, so I was super scared because it was like bouncing on the waves. It was great. Guys, this is me in my private taxi. We're leaving from the dock. I know we're going to head to the airport, guys. Look at this scenery, guys. This scenery is to die for. It's so pretty in the morning, as I said, even though I'm really not a morning person, guys. So yeah. Okay, guys, right over there he was showing me the hotel. I don't remember it's called. I think it's one of the biggest hotel there. I don't remember, but yeah. Guys, I wasn't really that far from the airport when I came off the sea taxi, and then he came and picked me up. I wasn't that far from the airport. So this is us. We're almost at the airport, by the way, guys. Guys, if you're in St. Kitts or Nevis, just link up Sexy Taxi. Ask anybody for Sexy Taxi, guys. Okay, guys, this is us turning in to the airport. I love the airport. It's pretty and it's different and it's big. So yeah, guys, this is me showing you guys the outside of the airport. I reached pretty early because, as I said, I woke up from about 4 in the morning and I got ready at 5 and I left out at 5 something. Guys, this is me. I'm upstairs. This is when I checked in and I was waiting to board on the plane, and I was just showing you guys. Here we was at St. Lucia. We were picking up and dropping off other passengers. So I was just showing you. I'm in Barbados at the moment, going to Antigua. The airplane is refueling. And what I did for all the airplane. So yeah. This is when I land and I was going to immigrations. Yeah, this is when I reached in Antigua and we were heading down to immigrations. When you guys hear a little peak of Antigua, Antigua is really pretty, guys. This is me heading to my Airbnb where I'll be staying because I was leaving the next day. So yeah, enjoyed a lot of you guys, the little snippet that I showed you.
guys, I'm gonna get sort of my room. It's nothing much. Let me turn the lights down. Okay, I guess this is the living area and the kitchen over there. And this is my room. It's a double bedroom, whatever, because they never have no single bedroom. And then this is me. Oh, turn on the light in here. Oh, okay. This is me. The bathroom. Alright. I wonder if I can make bubble bath. But yeah. This is me again.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.